Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Are you tired of eating the typical chocolate, vanilla, strawberry cake? Just try this Gulab Jamun cake. Nicely done Indian traditional Gulab Jamun on top of the cake. Just beautiful layering with pistachio and nicely decorated Gulab Jamun on top. Look at this. So let's get started and see how I made this Gulab Jamun cake. Alright, I baked the normal yellow vanilla cake and divided into two equal portions, and the uneven part I just removed it. Now we have this Gulab Jamun syrup that we have. So just pour that. To get some flavor of Gulab Jamun and get some moistness in the cake. It's gonna be yummy. Alright, so let's make the cream, and we will apply cream on the first layer and then on the sides and the second layer as well. Alright, so this is my heavy whipping cream, and 473 ml. So I've poured entire carton, and I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of sugar in it and beat to hard mix. Here you go, our cream is ready. So now let's apply. Alright, so we have our first layer of cream on the base, and now let's move on to the next one. Let's add some more syrup to the second layer, because we are going to flip this layer to the base layer. Let's get this moist. Nice and tasty Gulab Jamun flavor in this layer as well. Alright, so let's flip this to the other one. And let's apply the heavy cream on this top now. By the way, these Gulab Jamuns are made at home, and these are just store-bought Gulab Jamun pack, and I just followed the instructions, but I made it at home. Just wanted to make sure you know that. Alright, so my cake is nicely coated with the cream now, and I have my homemade Gulab Jamun that I cut it in half, so I have 2 pieces. So let's start decorating this Gulab Jamun cake. You can make the flower around this just for additional decoration. You can either make it simple just with the gulab jamun flavor, or you can just decorate this with the border, just making it simple. Chop some pistachios for additional decoration, so apply it on the side and in the middle. Alright, so here is our final look of gulab jamun cake. I have some chopped pistachios which I put it in the middle and on all the sides, just like that. Decoration, and it also looks good and tastes good. So nice nutty flavor and traditional gulab jamun cake is here. I hope you like this recipe. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and do try it at home and share your feedback. Alright, see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.